cho web so ton trong riêng ngô an chôn chém năm say insan thi tụm nè avan nama ngam cơ chất nè đô so ban ô nè bay.
Look, man, I'm rich.
You are $200 rich.
This is about $1 million right now, right here. I'm holding $1 million worth of money right now. See how rich I am? I'm rich. I'm so rich.
It's better. I don't like it like the last one. Better is that's so cool.
You got the song on your very first call.
These are classic look likes.
We get paid for nice. You have to try this one, please. Why didn't you try one? Mommy don't put it, you guys want to try it all. I know you don't want to, but you have to. It's the odd thing you don't want to. Where one thing for him. Bring this. Here.
Ministry of Police. It's not like a government building, man. It's unmarked. No, I mean it's unmarked. CIA? What's that called? CIA? CIA? Ministry of It's like a 200-year-old.
More than 200 years old tree. These trees are long, old, and most of them no one buy.
Holy shit. What happened to this accident?
You negotiate.
Right away?
Yeah, negotiate right there.
What happened? They don't have the money.
Then meet up later. You get the license and everything. You meet up later. And you pay. And that's a birth of Phnom Penh. That's Hey,
Yeah, there's nothing.
you come in the summer, you are
There's
scorched.
nothing, man. Yeah. What's the temperature today?
Today I think it's about 26, 25, 26 midday. In the morning like 22. This one no, it's
Ministry of Mind, Energy.
yeah, energy, temple, yeah, Ministry of Energy. And in front there, right in the middle, is a clock that's actually working, and it's donated by the French government. That clock there, it's actually working.
it's a nice little park here.
Yeah, you can go up
Yeah.
to the top. It's a pagoda on the top. Very nice. That's the one I told you that we could go up.
Yeah.
A few hundred steps to go up there.
Oh, I could do that. It's
Yeah.
not far from my apartment, right?
Oh no, you have to tuck here. It's about a 15-minute
This is
tuck.
close. Well, this is my plan. Want to go up there and then go to the museum that's nearby here.
Yeah, we can find parking around here and go up.
Yeah, but don't go up that now. It's too far.
See, this is the entrance on.
Yeah.
Yeah, right here. This is a step to go up. Right? You climb up. You go down top there.
Yeah.
Beautiful, right? Yeah, there's two bars that walk along. It's right on top there. It's big. It's a roundabout.
Yeah. Oh, shit, Bob.
Yep. It's been there like for hundreds of years, man.
And some of them is just dead wire, right?
Yeah. That's not. They just add on to it.
Fuck, they should just clean it up, man.
It's hard to clean up, and you don't know which one is which.
Yeah.
You don't know which one is good, which one is not. So just add on
they
to
just
it.
tied it.
Yeah, tie more on top of it.
The transformer, just like it's not in a room to put the transformer on
Yeah.
top, they put it on the bottom.
Yep.
Holy shit. Look at this, look at this, holy shit. Man, if you're an electrician,
Yep.
alright.
Do you know what? You have to admire those
Yeah.
guys. They come in, they know exactly what to do.
Oh,
So this is Mekong River, right?
yeah.
Yeah.
This is my apartment, right?
No.
Not Mekong,
Your
my
apartment way over
the
there.
other way, okay.
But
Isn't Mekong River the same thing? The same river, right?
yeah.
Yeah.
But you're way over there.
Way further, yeah.
Mekong is long, man. So this is more like a
What
tourist.
street is that one?
Huh?
What street is that one?
I don't-
You don't know?
I know where it is, but I don't know the number.
I'm going for a run.
Yeah, here the whole thing here, all the way.
I'm gonna run from here. Oh,
Yeah.
that's good. Go to the.
Okay, they do it first thing in the morning. They do it first thing in the morning and later at night.
Which?
In the evening. Yeah,
Like running.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Walking and running. I'll show you this.
Hey, you say you don't see clothes?
That's not close.
Why you think they're fascinating for?
Cambodian orange. Look what's that. They squeeze the water just right there.
A lot of scooter, eh, Bob?
Oh, this is cool. They are affordable.
Yeah, no. If you live here, a scooter is the best thing.
Yeah. You can whip
But
the
why
way
we
we
can you explain me why you don't use electric scooter instead?
They start having now.
Because it
No.
makes sense for pollution and everything.
Yeah, but the thing that the electric scooter, it just starts to come in now.
But it's cheaper than
Very cheap.
yeah.
But the thing that it doesn't have a lot of charging stations.
No, you don't charge That's the best
They
thing
don't have
because
that. Yeah. They don't have that.
yeah, but you can just put a stop station, right? It's not a big deal. Is that
This is a part of the
fucking
society.
pride flag you got here?
Yeah, no, that's a Buddhist flag.
Oh,
That's a
not
Buddhist flag.
pride, right?
No, not pride. It's Buddhist flag.
You sure?
Yeah, and this is a free exercise. You can come in and
Oh.
equipment. You can free exercise for free.
Yeah, free.
And this is one of the oldest pagoda in the world. The oldest pagoda.
Wow.
Yeah, I used to come here when I was living. Fingers.
Nice, yeah.
Yeah.
Water bottle.
See, Starbucks is everywhere. This is the white people area now, the tourist area. So all the flags for every nation is going to start here. And those flags are not flying, they are Buddhist flags. Because we are a Buddhist country. You see a lot of white people walking here because all the hotel is big.
Is that Buddhist flag for that's a symbol.
Yeah, the Cambodian monarchies.
Yeah, this is what do you call it?
Yeah. So now we are approaching the King Palace, right? You know, your king, okay? So you see the arm down there, right? Right, that's where the king sit to observe the graphical racing. When we do the racing, so when we compare it's split
that
into four
one
right
there?
here. It's split into four right here. Right, this is the Oh yeah. There's a king palace. Where the king lives. Really the rich.
You don't deal with that?
And people are giving them food. And when you have more food, they can
Is this one, yeah?
This is
Hotel?
no. It's what is it? It's like a theater, like an opera theater.
Ah, like the music.
Yeah. It's area nighttime all day. No, we have to go behind the wood. No, the other one. We can do it tonight. We're gonna talk